How often does a Mini Cooper need an oil change? Smart maintenance for long-term engine health. Regular oil changes are crucial for keeping your Mini Cooper's engine running smoothly and efficiently. Following the correct oil change interval not only preserves engine performance but also extends the life of critical components. Understanding when and why to change the oil can help you avoid costly repairs. Standard oil change intervals for Mini Cooper. Modern models, 2014 and newer, recommended oil change every 7,500 to 10,000 miles or once a year, using full synthetic oil. Older Mini Coopers. These may need an oil change every 5,000 to 7,500 miles depending on age and driving habits. Driving habits matter. Harsh conditions like short trips, frequent idling, or spirited driving can shorten oil life. What to look out for between oil changes. Dashboard oil light. A clear sign your Mini is due for service. Unusual engine noise. Low or dirty oil can cause ticking or knocking sounds. Dark or gritty oil on dipstick. Visually inspecting the oil can help identify when it's time for a change. Why timely oil changes matter. Protects engine from friction and overheating. Maintains fuel efficiency and performance. Supports the life of turbocharged engines and sensitive components. Conclusion. For optimal performance, follow your Mini's oil change schedule and adapt it to your driving style. Rely on trusted technicians who use Mini-approved synthetic oils and filters to keep your engine in peak condition. Regular oil maintenance is the simplest step to a long-lasting Mini.